Hello and welcome to another video by George's Shed, and today I'm going to be making these tank tracks. Let's get started. So I've printed these little track pieces. I designed these on Fusion 360 and they interlock like this, and then how they are connected together is using a piece of filament, because I thought I don't want to have to buy a load of bolts when I've got a roll of plastic that'll do just fine. So to assemble the track we obviously need lots of these. So if we get our filament like this, this is just the leftover bit of a roll. I've got some more here, so I'm recycling the filament that I otherwise wouldn't use. So I've found that the best method to assemble these is using these pliers. So you get two of them, and you need to make sure that there isn't any filament in the holes, because this would make it really difficult to push the plastic through. And the diameter of the central hole is slightly smaller than the outer hole, so this is it's locked in place by the central one, but the outer one can still rotate. So we need to get our two pieces and slot them together, and then we get our roll of filament, push it into either side, it doesn't really matter, and then use the pliers to push the filament down through the pieces. Some of them you don't need to use pliers, and some of them you do. These the light blue pieces are seem to have a bit of a better fit than these dark blue ones, but they should all still work. So there we go, we can see that that's gone all the way through. So we can just use the snips to cut it flush, and you can see that that rotates freely. So now we've got to do it for the rest of them. So let's get started with that. Okay, so now it's time for the moment of truth, to see if all my hard work's paid off, and it's time to connect the track to itself. So exactly the same process as I'm going to push through the filament, or the pin, whatever you want to call it. That, and then cut it off. So there we go, that is one track completed. So now if I bring my other pre-prepared track in, we've now got two. So this one, I haven't trimmed the extra bit off that track, so I'm just going to whiz through that now. So there we go, these are now flush, so we can now sort of begin to see how big the tank's going to be. So there are two tracks, and for the drive I think I'm going to use these two motors and gearboxes, which I made a robot with about 4 years ago. So these are going to sit here. I'm not sure if I will use these in the final tank, because they might not have enough torque. But they should do for now. So we can start to see that it should work quite nicely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss my next video. If you want to suggest something, then please leave a comment. Bye!